my dreams come true.
Welcome back to my channel. I'm Tia. I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig-related content here. We're multicultural, we're inclusive, so if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, you want my little doll, baby's hot doll, baby hot doll, baby hot doll, baby hot doll. I always do that. I don't know. Hi doll baby, how are you? So happy that you are here. Okay, so I'm doing a color comparison on a wig that's one of my favorite wigs actually. And this is a wig from the Wig Company. This is Rock Me, okay? And this is part of their statements line. I have a bunch of videos on Rock Me, so you can check out the Wig Company playlist, which is linked down below, okay? So this Rock Me was gifted to me from the Wig Company, which, thank you, you're the best. And then I purchased another Rock Me because I loved it so much. So I just wanted to compare the colors for you so that you could decide which one you liked better, because you should get Rock Me because she's awesome. Okay? All the deets on Rock Me are in my original videos, again in that playlist, so I'm not going to go like too much into that. The color that I'm wearing right now is OM4/33A, okay, and the color that we are going to be looking at is F33/27. So let's do the color comparison and then I'll come back and do final thoughts. Okay, so I'm back with the F3327 and you just saw the color comparison, so you can tell that both the colors are just really rich. This one is more of a warm sort of honey situation with some of these lighter sort of 613 platinum blonde, whereas the other one is just rich in terms of, it does have some reddish mahogany in there, but it's just a rich medium brown. And so there is some of this, like, you know, mahogany or auburny underneath. But this one is, you know, just a lighter version of that. So it would be really fun. And I have done where I sort of wore that more in the fall and winter. And then this coming into the spring and the summer. I really enjoy this wig. It's comfortable. Like I said, I've done a bunch of videos on them. I've done styling videos on both these wigs, and I just really love this wig. So I just wanted to share this quick video on this color comparison and just show you what it can look like for you to have like darker hair versus, you know, lighter hair, and just how easily that can happen. So that is what I have for you for this video. If you have any thoughts, please put them down below. Check out my Wig Company playlist down below. If there's any wigs that you would like me to review that aren't in there, go ahead and put that down below as well. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. We would love to have you. And if you have, you're one of my little doll babies. And thank you for coming. Thank you for supporting. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.